See, usability testing we are also called as accessibility testing. Okay, it is also called as, yeah, 1 minute. See, note down the key point here. Usability testing, we can call it also called as, sorry, also called as usability testing is also called as accessibility testing, and we can also call this like like accessibility testing, or else you can say, you can highlight the point user friendliness here. Okay, this is usability testing. In usability testing, I am going to continue with a small example to you. Before that, usability testing, it where during this, in this usability testing, Scrum team testers are going to test that based on the, during this they are going to perform test on the sprint or software for validating the user friendliness and on the corresponding sprint. Okay, validating means validating the user friendliness. Okay, user friendliness means 3 points you need to notify here. Ease of use. Okay, and next one is look and feel. It should catch the eye of customer. Clear? Ease of means it should be easy for any even it should be easy for old people also to access that. Okay, and short navigations. At whatever part, at whatever point you may be in that page, you should navigate to the home page by providing the short navigations. Okay, so let me continue this with a small example in usability testing. Okay, let me take a let us see a website here. Yeah, this is the website you identify here. First of all, you need to, our first point is user friendliness means ease of use. Okay, ease of use. When you see these mobiles, in olden days we are having only 2G mobiles. When you compare with old people and now latest generation people, when you give a Apple iPhone to them, they face little difficulty while accessing this type of mobile. Okay, whereas when you give this kind of mobile, this type of Nokia, these mobiles means they can easily make call by pressing green button. They can end the call using the red button. They can access the mobile very easily because the ease of use is very easy. Okay, whereas when you see the iPhone, Apple iPhone, like these smartphones, the ease of use is, for our generation it is easy. When you see the ease of use with respect to the old people means it will be little difficult. Not only nowadays you see in the offices, government offices also, government is providing latest tabs and mobiles to them. When suppose government is providing tabs to the farmers also, if farmer don't know how to use this tablet, then how can he access this mobile, this tablet? It means he face difficulty while using this mobile. Whereas if the government is providing this type of mobile to the farmer means he can easily access this type of mobile. Okay, this is what I mean about ease of use. Okay, the next point is look and feel. Let us see this website. This is our website. See what you are identifying here. Looking this side, first of all, what you are capturing means what you are identifying here. Yeah, software test. This site is regarding software testing by Sai Prashant. Yeah, his mail ID, his contact details. Yeah, these are the YouTube links. Yeah, okay, yeah, this interface is nice. Yeah, the look and feel is nice. Okay, this is what I mean about look and feel. Once you operate the website means, once you open the website, you should immediately you should catch the eye of the customer. Once after opening this website, immediately you get the idea, oh, this website is about software testing website by Sai Prashant, his contact details like this. It is easily capturing the eye of the customer. This is about look and feel. Clear? See here. And next one is short navigation. When you talk about the short navigation, see here. Yeah, you can see the sub modules here. Yeah, book online. you need to navigate to the book online. You have short navigation. By clicking these three buttons, you are getting this book online option. After clicking this book online option, you went to that, means you navigated to that book online option. Now see here, yeah, you got these options. See the options changed here, login page, book it, like this. Okay, now yeah, let us click something, let us try this. Yeah, book it, test automation. Okay, to navigate to home page, again we have to click back. This is what short navigation. For this, in these more very short navigation is, see, click here and click home page, then you directly navigate to the home page, means changing from, for suppose there are let us say some 3 to 4 pages are there. For suppose we are in the 4th page, our requirement is from this 4th page we need to navigate to the home page. Immediately by clicking that home option, you navigated to the home page. Clear? See this. Okay, we from booking a slot module to page 2, we came back to the home page. You can see again here, see, book online, the page is changed. See, online booking. Okay, book it. Yeah, you went to this module. So in this, from this module again you are trying to come back to home module. For that they provided another shortcut of short navigation option. Click home, you go to the home. This is about short navigation. This is what as a Scrum team tester, he is going to test the usability testing, performing this type of usability test in the sprint or software. Means it may be the website or like that. Okay, it may be the project or it may be the product. Yeah, the sprint developed regarding the project or product, Scrum team tester is going to perform this usability test on that. Clear? This is what about usability testing. Ease of use, look and feel, and short navigation.